Hey everyone, welcome back to itsNatzysKitchen. Today I'm going to be making filled cookies in two ways. Now these filled cookies need only 3 ingredients. So without further ado, let's see what ingredients we need to make these cookies. We'll be needing half a cup plus 1 tablespoon of flour, 4 tablespoons of cubed butter that has been taken out from the fridge 30 minutes before using, and 1.5 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk.
Hi guys!
Start by lining a cookie sheet with parchment paper. Then into a bowl, add in the flour and the butter and rub using your fingers. The dough should look crumbly. Then add in the sweetened condensed milk and mix until a dough is made. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. I post a new video every week. Sprinkle about a teaspoon of flour onto your work surface and transfer the dough out. Then lightly knead the dough. The dough should be soft but non-sticky. Now roll out the dough into about 1/4 inch thickness. Cut out small circles using a round cookie cutter. And place on the parchment paper. Then repeat the process for the rest of the dough. For half of the cookies, cut out a small hole in the center. Bake the cookies at 160 Celsius in a preheated oven for about 10 minutes or until the bottom of the cookies are slightly golden. Now let's make our filling. Into a blender, pour some sweetened condensed milk that has been refrigerated overnight and blend until stiff and pipable. Transfer the filling into a piping bag and refrigerate until use. The link to my easy homemade Nutella recipe will be in the description box down below. Make sure to go check it out. The cookies are done baking. Now let's fill them up. Once the cookies have completely cooled, turn the whole round cookies upside down and fill it with your favorite filling. You can also fill it with jam. Once you've filled all the cookies, top it off with the hole in the center cookies.
Bye!
The ingredient measurements and the method is in the description box down below, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel right here and click down here to watch how I've made my nutty Nutella recipe.